Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use filters and effects on Instagram stories. So first you need to go to your Instagram account and then go to your gallery and choose a filter on Instagram. You can pick a filters or effect that you like to use on your picture. And also, if you want to search a certain filter that you want to use on Instagram, you can search it also and use it to your Instagram post story. So that's it. That's how to use filters and effects on Instagram. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.